Okay guys, so this is the closet that I'm going to turn into my linen closet. Now, it is a mess. Needs to be painted, which I'm probably going to do after I put the stuff up there, the shelves or whatever. And this is the before. So, you'll see the after. Okay, so this is my first board that I placed. And I placed it about 2 feet off the floor because I want to be able to put storage containers down there. And I'm not using a measuring tape or anything. I'm just using the 12-inch. What is this? A 1 by 2 by 8, I think it is. So I just use this as a marker. Let me show you guys. To mark how high I want each shelf from each other. So that's what I'm doing. As you see, I can mark it with my level. I have a laser level. It's pretty cool. I love it. It's my new toy. It's only like $25 from Home Depot. So I'm gonna finish this and I'll see you guys back in a bit. Okay guys, so this is almost the end result. I still have to do some decorating. I want to put a background up there. I want to paint it and organize it. And then that's it. Hey guys, and this is the end result. Wish I had more light to show you guys, but I don't have any light in this closet. I'm gonna put some of those push lights up. But it looks a lot better. A whole lot better. I folded my blankets and put them up in those bins up top. And I left some room down the bottom on the floor so I can put my storage containers down there with the big blankets up there. So this is the end result with some light for you guys. Sorry about that last one.